Aloha friends, and welcome to my channel Tasty Healthy. My name is Maka, and today we are making a delicious golden berry chia pudding. We're going to go ahead and start with 1 cup of golden berries. Golden berries are an amazing fruit, super fun to eat alone as a snack. You can have for part of breakfast. And you can add them to a chia pudding. And golden berries are really good at reducing allergens and inflammation. One of the top foods for reducing allergens. And I'm going to go ahead and blend them up first. You can get golden berries at Sprouts. At Sprouts, they still have the green leafy wrapper on them. If you don't want to mess with that, the easiest place to get them is Trader Joe's. They already peel off the green leafy wrapper. Super good. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of almond milk or coconut milk. And fresh is best, so if you can, make your own. Almond, I think, is probably the easiest to make. Coconut, you have to be able to find coconuts there. They do have coconuts at Sprouts, but a little bit more challenging because you got to get that coconut shell off. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 2 pinches of cardamom. And you can adapt, this basic recipe as you like. Sometimes I add a little more, sometimes I add a little less. If you want a little bit more zest and a little bit more fuller flavor, you can add another cup of golden berries. Just however you like. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it all together. The nice thing about golden berries is they blend in nicely, so you don't have to strain any of this. There's no seeds, no hard shell, so super easy. Kind of helps to remove one step out of the process. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add in 8 tablespoons of chia seeds. And it's a lot of chia seeds, but the chia seeds give it that nice gel, kind of hold it all together. If you don't get enough chia seeds in, there'll be like a liquidy spot in the middle. That has actually happened to me when I added too much liquid and not enough chia. Not enough chia seeds. Make it very liquidy. So chia seeds give it that nice gelled texture. I'm going to go ahead and pour in the golden berry mixture into a glass jar. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and give it a nice shake. Shake it up and down all around. You can also put it in a bowl and just, mix it and then pour it in the jar. Either way, it's just kind of fun with the jar. Makes it super easy and simple and less dishes. And it stays in the jar, so you just put it right into the fridge, and then it goes ahead and hardens. And like I said, the nut milk, if you can make it yourself. I never ever buy almond milk because it has carrageenan in it. I think some of them have guar gum, preservatives, and things you just don't need going into your body. So I always make almond milk myself. Basically just put the almonds into a dish and pour water over them, and then put them in the fridge overnight, and then you can take the shells off the next day and go ahead and blend them. I think it's half parts water. I'll have to do a video on almond milk so that you can see, but it's super easy to make and super delicious. Of course, coconut milk that you buy from the store, if you buy it, make sure you get the BPA free can. It's, like I said, fresh is best, but you know, sometimes you're pressed for time, or you know, you don't have any reactions from it, so you can get the can. I'm not a big fan of it. I'd rather do the fresh, but sometimes I do the can as long as it's BPA free. And okay, so I've taken it out of the fridge. It's hours later. I don't know how many hours because I always put it in overnight. It's just easier that way. I don't have to mess around with it. And then just go ahead and spoon it into your dish and smooth out the top. And then add a little mint. And if you're joining us for the first time and you like the recipes, go ahead, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit the like button, yeah, and the notifications bell. And if there's no notifications bell on your platform, you can go into the notification settings and click notifications. And then whenever we do a video, it'll come up and give you a notification letting you know that a new video has been made. So thank you so much for joining us. Mahalo and aloha, friends.